The humans brought a machine. It hums. It blinks. It makes suspicious cubes. The elders say it's for keeping drinks cold. I say it's phase one of the great forest freeze over. So yeah, obviously, I had to intervene.
Totally normal, right? Just a box that coughs out frozen water? Please, I've seen this movie. This is a Class 5 chill tactical artifact. Origin human. Purpose: neural disruption via dessert cube.
Can it make strawberry cubes? I miss strawberry.
Let's go put an end to this ice age.
You birds always this jumpy, or did I just walk into a comic book?
What are you? Spy? Cube Guardian? Ice Witch?
Bro, it's called a portable cooler. Want a cube?
Didn't bounce back like it used to, huh?
It's so cold, my beak's numb, I can't taste my thoughts.
Yeah, that's kind of the point.
Maybe not everything is a global conspiracy.
Speak for yourself. I still don't trust squirrels.
You guys need hobbies.
So let me get this straight. You suited up, broke into a campsite, and stole ice?
Not stole, liberated for the people?
Viva la frozen revolution.
Not every mission ends in glory. Some end in brain freeze. But if there's one thing I've learned, ice makes everything cooler. Even me.
Crack a cube, hit that like button, and subscribe. Please come back for more wild missions, questionable raccoons, and teenage bird drama.